Good evening, friends. Welcome back to my channel Breakout Trading. Hope everyone is doing good. Uh, I was actually telling that I will be posting a video for selecting the option strike price for this breakout trading in the weekend. But sorry guys, due to some personal work, I was unable to do the video. But surely this weekend I will be uploading that video for option price selection for breakout trading. Okay, let's go for today's video. Let's see the stocks which will be good for entering into swing trade for tomorrow. First we will be seeing ACC. ACC, if you see, the stock is moving inside these two ranges, inside a channel, this trend line and this trend line. So today what happened, it has exactly taken support on the trend line. So what we can expect in the coming days is that after is formed, or if it's opened above this day high, we can expect the stock to travel towards this trend line. That is, in the coming days we can see 1500 range for this stock, that is ACC Limited. The next stock we are going to see is Amara Raja Batteries. Actually, if we see here, it was a resistance, it was broken in the early of July month, it was broken here, and now it is at the next resistance level, that is 750 to 755 levels. So what we can expect from this stock in the coming days? Suppose if the resistance is broken, probably it will be broken in the coming days. Once it is broken, the next support or resistance we can see is at this level, 800 levels, 800 to 815. So once this resistance is broken, we can see the stock traveling towards 800 and 815 range in the coming days. And the next stock is Asian Paints Limited. Here I can witness two breakouts. Okay, one is this trend line and this trend line, which is like a descending pattern, and it has given a breakout here. That's a pretty good volume from the previous days, buying volume here, and in the main trend line also it has given a breakout on the same day. So we can consider it positive for because it has broken two of the trend lines. Okay, and then it has retraced back. It was trading over there for a couple of days, that is 3 to 4 days. It was trading around this range, and again today it has given a good green candle. So what we can expect from this stock is it can go up to 1900 levels, which is the next resistance. Once that is also broken, we can see a good move 2000 levels in this stock. So what will be a good entry is buying above the today's day high, that is 1842 and above. So we can expect 1900 in the coming days for Asian Paints. And the next stock is Escorts. We have seen this in last week. I have explained what has happened in this stock, but what I expected was it will break down the support, but what happened is it has given breakout in the top side. So what we can expect from this stock in the coming days is the stock will travel towards 1220, that is the next resistance level. So the support, it cannot be broken, so a green candle is formed. So above today's day high, if we have given an entry, that is 1159, so we can see 1215 to 1220 levels is the next resistance in the coming days. So the stock will travel like this towards 1210 to 1215 in in the coming days. That is the resistance. Once that is also broken, the stock will travel more upside. And the next stock is MGL, Mahanagar Gas Limited. This stock also I have explained in the last week's videos, my previous videos. So from the resistance the stock has fallen down, it has given a retracement, it has come again and it has given another retracement, and now today the support was broken strong in the daily candle. So what we can expect from this stock? The stock is currently trading around 957 rupees. So in the coming days we can expect the stock to move down towards the next support, which is around 870 to 880, this range. So now it is broken. What will happen is tomorrow it will retest the resistance and then the stock will move down in the coming days. The next stock which we are going to see is Sun TV Network. Okay, let's see what happened here. The stock was in this resistance, it was trading here, and what happened today is it has broken the resistance with big huge volume. You can see the volume here. There is a huge volume here and the resistance is broken today. What we can expect from this stock in the coming days? So the resistance is broken and it has become a support now. So what will happen is the stock will retest the support and then it will go up in the coming days. So what will be the next resistance for this stock? If we see here, the next resistance is around 507, this level where the stock has rejected and came back. This is the resistance. So we can expect the stock in the coming days to go up till the next resistance, which is around 500 to 510. So what will happen here is once it is broken the resistance, the stock will retest the support. So the resistance has become support here and then it will go up in the coming days. So these are all the stocks which will be good to enter for swing trading on tomorrow, provided the stock reaches the levels which I have told. Okay, thank you friends. Let's see in the next video. Thank you for your support. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Kindly watch the video fully so that you can gain maximum knowledge from the contents of the video. Kindly share it to others so that they will also be beneficial from my videos. Thank you friends.